Hello you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, it's been a while since I've introduced myself. My name is Angela, welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically, I just vlog my life because I like having memories to look back on. But today, I wanted to show you something that I've been doing to kind of pass the time for me, but also that helps me kind of just take care of myself. Especially, I don't talk about this a lot, but I've been in like a really bad depressive episode recently. You probably wouldn't be able to tell if you watch my videos. Even like right now, you probably can't tell that I am just really down in the dumps. But I am gonna show you my Monday night routine. So basically every Monday night, whether I'm opening or closing at work, I have what I call my little spa night. I've been doing this for probably about 2 months now. And basically I just do everything every single night. So I take a bath, I exfoliate, shave, I do my eyebrows, I exfoliate my face. I do the whole shebang. We do our skincare. I do skincare every night, but specifically I just go like a little bit more in depth. So if you kind of want to see my night routine on Monday nights specifically, keep watching and let's get into it. Normally I start the night by lighting a candle. Tonight I'm going to be lighting this vanilla bean one. This one has a crackling effect. I was using like my spiced apple toddy from Bath and Body Works. But this one is a new one. I actually got it last Christmas and I felt like it just kind of fit the vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try and light this one. Mood is set. We've got the candle going here. I am going to start with taking a bath really quickly and exfoliating, shaving, all that fun stuff. So let's go do that.
To begin, I am drawing my eucalyptus sage bath. Just getting that all prepped and ready while I shave my legs with the Tropic Glow and get started on that. And I also do some exfoliating with the cotton candy exfoliant from Tree Hut. Now that I'm all fresh and clean, changing into some new pajamas, and I am going to put on some lotion before I start my skincare routine. Slather that baby up and put it all over your body. Okay, so now we're going to begin my skincare routine. The first thing I do is I start double cleansing. So I'm taking a balm cleanser and I'm putting that on my dry face and I'm just going to rub that all in, and then I will take some water on my hand and massage some of the water in to foam the cleanser up, and then it'll just slide right off of my face. Okay, so now I am washing and drying my face, but I'm not drying it completely. I still wanted a little bit of the oil from the cleanser on there so that I could easily shave my face. I always shave my sideburns. It is something I have always done. And then I also shave my cheek and my little mustache here that is growing. And then I'm rinsing my face one more time and plucking my eyebrows. I got all that oil off, and then I'm going to start my second cleanse where I am taking a foaming cleanser now, and I'm just going to massage that all into my face. I really like this one. This is the First Aid Beauty one. And of course, rinsing my face again. I rinse with super cold water. I just love the feeling of cold water on my face. Now to begin exfoliating, I'm taking the Elemis like 2-in-1 exfoliator. I got this when I was on the cruise and I actually really love it. I use 3 pumps of it, rub it all in my face and massage it. It does burn and tingle. I kind of like the pain, but it does burn. And while I'm waiting for 15 minutes for that to soak in, I'm going to go ahead and do my hair care routine. So I thought this was a really cool shot. I'm looking like kind of a rat though, to be completely honest. Like, look at that rat's nest. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I thought that was a cool shot. Me yanking my hair out. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just brushing out all my knots, tangles, all that fun stuff. I want to make sure my hair is nice and smooth and ready for me to put some hair oil in it to nourish my ends. I thought I heard like a creepy stalker, so I turned around really quickly, so just ignore me. I'm cleaning out my brush now. I just get a lot of cat hair in it, but I'm using the JVN Nourishing Hair Oil. I just put about 5 to 6 drops of that in my hand and put it straight onto my dry ends of my hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to rub that together and work that into the ends of my hair, making sure to fully saturate those dead dry ends that I have. I'm trying to get rid of them. But yeah, just working that all in, and then I'm going to take a brush and really comb it all through so that it's evenly coated. Again, thought I heard a creepy stalker noise, so I looked behind me. And now I am going to get my hair ready to put up into a bun, because I sleep with my hair in a bun every single night. I saw a TikTok of Jonathan Van Ness talking about how sleeping with your hair in a bun is a lot better for your hair because it protects the ends of your hair from like breaking off while you're sleeping and rolling around and all that fun stuff. So I am combing my hair to be mostly flat against my head, and then I'm going to wrap this in a nice little bun here, and then I'm going to do this weird like little shaky thing. That's to make sure it's not tight against my head so that it doesn't put any pressure on my hairlines and like risks pulling my hair out. I guess to say, for lack of a better word, that I'm putting my headband back on and ready to wash that first step off that I totally forgot I even did as I'm recording this voiceover. Now it's time to go in with step 2, and I'm going to put, again, 3 pumps of this on my hand and massage that into my face until it is completely absorbed.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better.
Now that that is all absorbed, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to brush my teeth. I just use the Colgate whitening toothpaste, whatever, and then I'm also going to go ahead and floss. I am really bad at flossing, but every Monday I make sure to floss once a week because my dentist said that is all it takes to just help your teeth. So I do it at least once a week, and then I'm taking a mouthwash. This is my TheraBreath that I'm using, and I'm just going to swish that around. Oh my goodness, I swish it around until it stops burning, and look at me just vibing, rinsing that in my mouth. I kind of look like a monkey. Okay, now this is another thing I got on the cruise. This is my Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. I love this stuff. First off, it smells so good. During like the rest of the week, I take a pad and I like rub this on my face, but for tonight I'm just going to spray it on my face just because I have a lot of other products going on. And then I'm going to take my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair and my L'Occitane night serum. I don't even know. I just put 1 pump and 1 like droplet of that and mix it together. And massage that all into my face. Of course, don't forget to rub it on your neck. I should really just focus on rubbing that upwards instead of downwards. I'm going to cause wrinkles on myself. And go ahead and rub the excess into your hands. I take my QMS Now eye cream and just take a little dollop of that and put it under my eyes. I rub it in. You should really be patting it in, but you know what? Same difference. At least I put an eye cream on. I do this every night and every morning. Okay, now we're going to do the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Face Oil. I do about 5 to 6 drops of this as well. And I have really dry skin, so I use a face oil every single night. This has changed my skin drastically. If I forget to use this, I start breaking out. It is so incredibly weird, but I also put this everywhere. And then I end my routine with my Ole Henriksen lip mask. I wear a lip mask every single night. Since I got lip filler, I don't really have issues with like dry lips or cold sores, weirdly enough, but I love a good lip mask every night.
Okay, that was it. That was my entire nighttime spa routine. My lips are my very last thing that I do. I wear a lip mask every single night, and then in the morning I use Vaseline. If I'm feeling stuffy, which I kind of am tonight, I'm gonna put this on really quickly. As we're heading into winter, I've done a lot of eucalyptus like baths, which you saw, and then I'm also doing these aromatherapy sticks. So I just put this basically right here and like across my chest where I'm gonna be breathing at, and then I put it right here at the very base of my neck. That's just like where I would normally apply like vapor rub. If I'm really sick and stuffy, vapor rub hands down. I like this one just like in the meantime to prevent any like real dryness in my nose, because it is moisturizing, and vapor rub can just be kind of too much if you use it all the time. So I only use vapor rub if I'm like really sick, but that's my little alternative that I use. So yeah, that was, I think, probably like an hour and a half of just pampering myself. I do this literally every single Monday, and it has changed my life drastically. Like it gives me something to look forward to every Monday. Like when I get to Monday, I'm like, oh my gosh, it is Monday. Like it's me night. I'm gonna have a whole just like restful time dedicated to taking care of me, which it's just my favorite thing right now because I'm going through a lot. I'm done for the night. I'm probably gonna have a hold your cone later from Trader Joe's. They have the peppermint ones that I got, and there's only 8 in the entire thing, and I've almost eaten all of them. I have 2 left, and I eat 2 every time. And it makes me so sad because they're so tiny, and I've eaten the whole box in like a week. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I hope this is your reminder to relax and take time for yourself. Especially this holiday season is really just an overwhelming time for everybody. So please remember to take care of yourself. Reach out to people. Let them know that you love them. Take care of yourself. Love one another. And I think that's it for this week's video. See you in the next one.